In this video, we are going to discuss how to construct a t-error correcting binary BCH code of a given block length. So here we have the question: construct a triple error correcting binary BCH code of block length 15, and then we have to determine the dimensions of the code, and also using the same code we will have to find out the code word polynomial for a given message polynomial, which is x plus 1 over here. So let us first try to find out the generator polynomial of this triple error correcting binary code of block length 15. Since the block length is given as 15, now 15 can be written as 16 minus 1, which is 2 to the power 4 minus 1. So we have to construct this code over GF 2 to the power 4. For that we first require the field elements of GF 2 to the power 4. Now we know that x to the power 4 plus x plus 1 is a primitive polynomial of the Galois field GF 2 to the power of 4, and using this polynomial we can construct the field elements of GF 2 to the power 4 as this. 0 and 1 will always be present. Then we have alpha, alpha square, alpha cube, alpha to the power 4, that can be replaced by alpha plus 1. Alpha to the power 5 is alpha into alpha to the power 4, so that comes to alpha square plus alpha, and so on. So we have here from 0 to alpha to the power 14 all the 16 elements of this GF 2 to the power 4. Now the generator polynomial of a t-error correcting binary BCH code is given by this formula, where gx is the generator polynomial. It is the LCM of m1x, m2x till m twice t of x, which can also be written as LCM of m1x, m3x, and so on. That is only the odd terms of m1 of mix. Here mix is the minimal polynomial of the field element alpha to the power I. So over here we have here t equals 3, since it is a triple error correcting code. So the generator polynomial gx is going to be LCM of m1x, m3x, m5x, because 2t minus 1 over here is 5. So let us now find out the expressions for m1x, m3x, and m5x. Now m1x is the minimal polynomial corresponding to alpha. In order to find out the minimal polynomial, we first need to determine the conjugates of alpha, and the set of conjugates are the roots of the minimal polynomial of alpha. So the conjugates of alpha in GF2 to the power 4 are alpha square, alpha to the power 4, and alpha to the power 8. So m1x becomes x plus alpha into x plus alpha square into x plus alpha to the power 4 into x plus alpha to the power 8, and that can be simplified as x to the power 4 plus x plus 1. m3x, minimal polynomial corresponding to alpha cube. So once again we first find out the conjugates of alpha cube in alpha to the power 4, which are alpha to the power 6, alpha to the power 12, and alpha to the power 9. And thus we construct m3x as x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Finally m5x, minimal polynomial corresponding to field element alpha to the power 5. The conjugate of alpha to the power 5 is alpha to the power 10, and so m5x is nothing but x square plus x plus 1. So now we already have the minimal polynomials corresponding to alpha, alpha cube, and alpha to the power 5, and using them we can find out gx as x to the power 10 plus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x square plus x plus 1. So this is the required generator polynomial of the code. Now the degree of this generator polynomial is 10, as we can see over here. The degree of a generator polynomial is the number of parity check bits. So q is 10 over here, which is n minus k, that is the difference between the block length and the number of message bits. So k is n minus q, 15 minus 10 equals 5. So this is a 15,5 binary BCH triple error correcting code. N is 15 and K is 5. Now the given message polynomial is x plus 1. So the code word polynomial is the product of the message polynomial and the generator polynomial, and from there we get the code word polynomial as x to the power 11 plus x to the power 10 plus x to the power 9 plus x to the power 8 plus x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 1.